National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Licking County, northeastern Franklin County, eastern Delaware County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Olive Green to Galena to Worthington, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Storm hazards include damaging winds to 70 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Sunbury, Westerville, Utica. In addition, Olive Green, Huber Ridge, Center Village, Hartford, Johnstown, U.S. Route 62 and State Route 661, Alexandria, and Fredonia are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following Interstate 71 between mile markers 118 and 139. A tornado watch is in effect for the warned area. Be alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Tornadoes can develop suddenly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Sunday evening for southeastern Indiana and northern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio. A tornado watch also remains in effect until midnight Monday morning for northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio. The severe